Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making stir-fried chicken. It's not a beauty video today, it's a cooking video, and I thought, just to record and bring you guys along. And I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been MIA, life has happened, I've got kids, I've got a 6-month-old. So yeah, let's not ramble, let's get straight into it. Pretty easy. I'm doing it the easy way, so no cooking experience is needed. Anyway, so you need the chicken breast all diced up in chunks. You need sweet and sour cooking sauce. I'm using 2 of those because I'm using 2 packs of noodles. I've got the noodles in this plate over here. I'm gonna microwave it. It's 2 packs of noodles from Asda, and I think it's £1.50 each per pack, and it's quite a lot, of noodles here. And I'm gonna microwave this for about, I think, 4 minutes, but that's later on. And then I've got the vegetable, stir-fried vegetable as well. I think that was about £1.50 as well. Took it out of the packaging and put it in this bowl. And I'm using chow mein sauce. I'm using 2 of those with extra virgin olive oil to fry the chicken, and 2 normal seasoning to taste. You could use whatever seasoning you have. You could use Maggi, it doesn't really matter, but I'm using this. Or you could use salt if you like salt. I don't like salt, so yeah. And also, because I'm black and we're not about to eat bland food, I'm using spice. This is the Scotch bonnet, and I've grated it. Not grated, I've chopped it with this little hand blender that I've got. Yeah, so that's that. So let's get straight into the bish bash bosh it. So because I don't want the chicken stir fry bland, I'm going to be putting 2 Scotch bonnets that I've grated up with my hand grater. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting this in the oven first, and I've used the Grace Jamaican style jerk barbecue sauce and the Dunes River, I hope I'm saying that right, Jamaican jerk seasoning to marinate this chicken, and it's been marinated for about an hour. And I'm just gonna slap it right in the oven to cook, and then I'll be back with what we need to make the stir fry. So what I'm going to be doing first is using the extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to spray it in the pan like so, not too much. I like to use a spray because it's better to measure, so you're not pouring too much in. I've got the big tub of olive oil. What I do is I just open this, unscrew it, and then put the olive oil in as top up, and then I spray. So now that the olive oil's in, I've left it to heat for about 10 seconds. So I'm gonna put the diced chicken inside like so. So now that the chicken's been cooking for about 10 seconds, I'm going to put the first gnaw in, like so. So that when you're taking a bite of chicken, as you're, getting the noodles as well, the chicken's also seasoned. So I'm going to work that in. And just leave it to cook till it's like golden brown, for as long as it wants, till it's golden brown and you can't see any raw bits. whilst that's cooking, what I'm gonna do next is put a little bit of olive oil in here in my next pan. I've also that's been heating for about 10 seconds as well. So I'm gonna add the veg into this pan and let that cook. But all you need to do is just stir that around until it's like cooked soft. Well, not really soft, but make sure it's still crunchy, but you know, just a little bit cooked. We're gonna do that for about 3 to 5 minutes. Baby, I don't know what you did to me. I'm grateful for you. So now the chicken is cooked. And the veg is also cooked because it's shrunk a little bit. Now I'm going to take the veg out and put it back in that big bowl that it was before. So I'm going to take out the chicken with a spatula thingy thing. Call my phone if you miss me. Call my phone. Call my phone. Call my phone if you want me. Just gonna take that out because it's got loads of sauce, but I really don't want the extra sauce or extra wetness in my stir fry. So I'm just gonna pick it out instead of pouring it out. Now that the chicken's done, I've put the chicken in this little bowl and I've drained out the excess water. So I'm going to take my olive oil again and I'm going to spray the pan, and this is where the frying begins. So I'm going to first fry my chili Scotch bonnet. I'm going to do that for about 2 minutes so that it's cooked and it's not extremely spicy. I'm going to be putting the noodles in the microwave. I'm in love with a girl who can tell the world. We can love day and night, we can dance low high, we can dance through the night. So now that the Scotch bonnet is cooked, I'm going to take it off a little bit and then I'm going to add the sauces. And then I'm gonna stir it in together and let it thicken up, and then I'll be back. As the sauce is heating up, I'm gonna take the last 2 raw chicken and I'm just gonna crush that in. And I'm gonna stir that in and then I'll be back again. So now that the noodles has been in the microwave for 4 minutes, it's cooked and it's separated. So next I'm gonna, as the sauce is bubbling, I'm gonna put in the noodles. Call my phone if you want me, baby. Call my phone if... That's hot. I'm using my hand because you don't want the... Even though the noodles is cooked, you don't want it clumped up together. So I'm just using my hand to separate and make sure that it doesn't all clump up together. Call my phone, call my
my phone, call my phone. If you want me, call my phone. If you need me, call my phone. If you miss me, call my phone, call my phone, call my phone. If you want me, call my phone.
So I'm just gonna throw this away. Next, I'm gonna stir the sauce into the chicken and the noodles. So I'm just gonna stir. Everything's basically cooked now, so you could do all of this off the hob if you want to. When that's done, we're now gonna add our veg that's been cooked as well into it. So I'm gonna get stirring, and then I'll show you guys what the final result looks like. See you guys in 10 seconds. So I'm about to tuck into this, guys. This is stir fry heaven. You should try this. So guys, it's been nice of you tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you stay to the end, kudos to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to your family, friends, loved ones, so they can also try the recipe.